Good afternoon from the Chardon Weather Center. This is a map for this afternoon, and all we have here is snow well to the north and to the west of Chardon. We already had our snow and mix this morning, and we have warm temperatures heading right up the mid-Atlantic with temperatures in the 40s and even some 50s and near 60 down in this region. That's all for Saturday. Let's go to Sunday. This, by the way, is a precipitation format from the Canadian. I'm using that because that looks much more similar to the European, which I just looked at a few minutes ago. So we'll go with this. Right here on Sunday afternoon, we have some leftover snow showers and light snow in northern Ohio. And as the system passes east, there's a disturbance that passed in from out here that's down in this vicinity. That's going to spawn a small storm that's going to come up this way and perhaps plague some of the mid-Atlantic and perhaps making it even up to southern New England. This right here, though, is for Sunday afternoon. So you'll be getting increasingly cloudy skies and colder temperatures with this cold front right through here will be passing into the area as a storm system develops a little bit in this region. On Monday afternoon, we have a system right here, as I was alluding to earlier, and there's going to be snow to the north, a mix in the middle, and rain to the south. Looks like southern parts of Virginia, you're going to see mainly rain, maybe a quick changeover to snow as it ends, maybe an inch in a few spots. While from Philadelphia north and west, there could be significant snow, and that could also go all the way up into parts of southern New England. This is Tuesday afternoon, and we have another storm system developing over the Texas Panhandle that threatens again northern Ohio, northern PA, of course, and into parts of New England. This could be quite a prolific snowmaker for areas just to the north of where I'm going with this. Just to the north, there could be 6-inch plus in this area I'm circling. This is late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, and the Canadian and the Euro have a similar scenario, whereas the GFS has this storm system a bit further north, and that would mean probably a period of mixing in northeast Ohio with some rain or sleet for some 3 to 6 hours, perhaps with the storm system, while the Euro and the Canadian paint all snow for this area. So that's where I'm going with that for right now. And we would be seeing in this general area 4 to 8, maybe 10 inches in spots. And as this thing gets cranked up along the coast, parts of New England could see 10 plus inches of snow. And that would be for Wednesday into Wednesday night. So this is later on Wednesday. Now, as you can see, you got the rain in the mix through much of northern New Jersey, even in towards central PA. There's a mixing issue with rain, of course, from South Jersey and Philadelphia points east, according to this map. Of course, this is out a few days, and it could certainly change. Any change in course from 50 to 75 miles could mean a world of difference as to what type of precipitation we see in this area. But for right now, it looks like a good bet for 4 to perhaps 8 inches of snow in northern Ohio into northwest PA. And of course, even more as you get into New England as they get additional Atlantic moisture with this low pressure system moving up and out to sea. On Thursday, we're drying out and we're looking toward again to the southwest for another system to develop. And at this point, I have no idea what's going to happen, and neither does anyone else for that matter. But we certainly have the makings of another storm system that could move in sometime over the next weekend. But we'll talk more about that after we get through Tuesday's and Wednesday's storm, which is way up here past the Canadian provinces Thursday morning. Thank you so much for joining me from the Chardon Weather Center.